Hello, let's visit our school, Vishwa Bharati Girls International School.
Hello, dear students and parents. Welcome to Vishwa Bharati Girls International School, a digital school where the education is imparted in a tension-free environment. Students enjoy in the school and love to come here. Do you want to know why? Watch this.
The day begins in the name of God, that's our assembly, where students meditate to get in touch with their true inner self, to clear the mind and enhance their concentration. It's followed by Hindi and English prayers, where the pious lyrics are played by the students. Students also present their poems, speeches, dramas, quiz, and more. The assembly is concluded by teachers or principal's talk, followed by the school anthem.
जहाँ है ज्ञान दीप उज्ज्वल, ये है विश्व भारती गर्ल्स इंटरनेशनल स्कूल। विश्व भारती, जय विश्व भारती, विश्व भारती, जय विश्व भारती।
Hello, respected parents. I warmly welcome you all at my Vishwa Bharati Girls International School, which school India's first digital campus at all. Please come and take admission of your child. I have 35 years of experience in education, so you may come at my school and visit. After visit, I assure that you take admission in my school. Thank you.
Moreover, 5 girls have the privilege of performing yagya daily in the temple. All the classes here have a digital board and AC facility. Each student has their own individual cupboard. Students are taught using various softwares and methods like activities, group work, pair work, peer editing, PPT presentations, and many more. Discipline is an ornament of the students. Vishwa Bharati inculcates students to strictly follow the rules and regulations, social norms, and moral values. Students adopt the disciplinary aspect of every performance that makes them successful all the time. We have various facilities for the academic learning. A well-equipped computer lab, physics lab, biology lab, chemistry lab facilitates the learning of the students. For enhancing knowledge, aiding students in their projects, and for recreation, we have a library with books and e-books on various subjects and topics. Art and craft room, robotic room to nurture and develop the artistic talent. Standard 1 to 4 have 45 minutes period, 30 minutes of studies and 15 minutes for assignments. Standard 5 to 12 have 1 hour period, 40 minutes of studies and 20 minutes for assignments. No homework is given to the students. Projects are also done by the students in the school under the guidance of the teachers. The pre-primary section is very colorful. It has activity-based teaching. Songs, rhymes, general knowledge, conversation, and much more is done using digital board.
A for apple.
And yes, we have a library too for them, where the little toddlers not only inculcate the habit of reading, but learn how to speak with correct pronunciations. We have specially designed toy room, playing equipments and a digital table for recreation and playway-based learning for the kids.
Hello, I warmly welcome you to our Vishwabharati Girls International School.
Various indoor and outdoor game facilities are available in the school. Apart from regular PT, students also learn skating, judo, vocal and instrumental music, dance, table tennis, billiards, chess, volleyball, basketball, football, archery, badminton, discus throw, cricket, kabaddi, kho-kho and various other games. We have NCC training too.
Fred Southern! Fred Vijay! Fred Pachligat and
Students have won in various games at district level and reached state level. Students are provided pure vegetarian healthy breakfast and Gujarati lunch prepared in hygienic environment. Jain food is also provided. To bring out the hidden talent, the school regularly organizes many competitions. To inculcate and nurture the feeling of nationality and to keep the students in touch with our Indian culture, we celebrate various festivals. For healthcare, regular health checkups are arranged. Pediatrician, gynecologist, ophthalmologist, pediatric dentist, otolaryngologist are invited for the same. For the leadership development and personality development, students are guided and trained to arrange various functions, interact with dignitaries of the school and the dignitaries visiting our school. Vishwabharati believes in keeping in touch with parents. Parents are daily updated on all the academic and non-academic activities on their mobiles through the school's software. Monthly magazine is issued where the students and teachers' articles are published. Moreover, parents are free to come and enjoy all our celebrations if they desire. Teachers' training programs are regularly organized. Renowned personalities like Mrs. Rita Khatlawala, Mr. Jyotindra Pandya have rendered their honorable services for the same. We not only have transportation facility but hostel facility too. Hostel is the second home for the girls. Here discipline, self-independence, helping and sharing and traditional values are inculcated in students. Children live in a friendly and a positive environment under the wardens. The hostel provides the facility of AC and non-AC rooms with 24 hours hot water facility and attached bathroom. There are only 4 girls in each room, having personal bed, a personal cupboard, personal study table with a chair and a dressing table. The hostel also has an RO plant for clean drinking water. The wake-up time for hostel students is 5:30 a.m., followed by yoga and meditation to improve the physical level, energetic level and psychological level of the students. They get ready for school under the guidance and help of the wardens. Then it's time to have universally available natural food, that is the milk. It is the school time now. Delicious healthy snacks are served after school. The girls freshen up and have the recreation time. They enjoy playing various games of their choice or just lazing around. At 7 p.m., kids gather at the temple for Aarti, the ritual of our traditional worship. Songs are sung and performed with a deep sense of reverence, adoration, and meditative awareness. The ritual of worshipping is followed by dinner, served with warmth, affection, and love. At 8 p.m., it is the study time. Later, at 9:50 p.m., warm milk served by dedicated and loving wardens, which helps our girls to sleep better. And then, at 10 p.m., it is time to sleep. Lights off. A second home, Vishwabharati Girls International School, a blessing for girls, a digital school with burden-free education, with opportunities to excel, managed by Madhav Education Trust. Vishwabharati Girls International School, Simadi Kosmadi Road, Morthana, Kamrej, Surat, Gujarat, India.
We feel to be proud to be a designer of this educational campus. Basically, we adopt the vernacular architecture like courtyards, spill-out spaces, open-air amphitheater. We create peaceful and pleasant environment to encourage students for better education.